Welcome to Farmfluence. We are the leading manufacturers, designers, and developers for automation solutions for horticulture and aquaculture in India. That includes precision farming solutions, sensors, and complete IoT based automation. Today, we would be showcasing our electronic portable soil testing kit. This soil testing kit is very beneficial for instant soil data collection at the farm level, and it helps to test 7 parameters, mainly soil moisture, soil temperature, electric conductivity, potential hydrogen, and NPK. So these 7 parameters can be tested instantly with this kit within less than a minute, and it also helps to take out the data in terms of a printout and cloud access. So today we would be unboxing the kit. So this kit comes in a easy carry case, which is shock proof and shock resistance. And we'll do the unboxing. So this is how the kit looks like. The kit comes into a complete box with foam pads inside, which helps to uh, keep the kit from resistance from the shocks in case there is a fall and or when the kit is used in the field. So I'll just take you to the main components of this kit. So this is the terminal or the printer, which has the mobile app inside, our custom designed mobile app, which takes the data, and it has got a thermal printer inside which can print report instantly at the field level. Then we have the soil sensor. So this is the specially designed soil sensor which can be inserted into the soil directly for instant data collection. Oh, and this is a reader cum Bluetooth module which communicates with the terminal for the data transmission. Other than that, we have the charging cable adapter for the unit. Whenever you have to charge the battery, it can be easily done. So this is the core components of the kit. Now we will actually give you a complete demonstration how the kit works. So firstly, we start the terminal. So the terminal has a power button on the right side, just like a mobile phone, smartphone. So we just long press the power button and the device will boot. It will take about 30-40 seconds for the device to boot. It's an Android based terminal, so it can be easily accessed, and anybody with an experience of a smartphone can easily access the system. So now, as you can see, the system has booted. Once the system is booted, it will have its home screen. This is the home screen. In the home screen itself, the kit will come pre-installed with 2 applications. One is the soil testing application, Farmfluence application, and other is a testing application whenever there is a troubleshooting required for testing the sensor connectivity. So to start with, we just open the app. So this is the mobile application for the field testing device. The initial screen has options for connecting the sensor on Bluetooth, seeing the old data, and the user registration. So whenever the kit is delivered to you, by default, it will come pre-configured with the user information, because this information is required for the data collection in the cloud also. So we map the user in advance whenever the kit is delivered to the customers. So in here, in case you can see it is already registered, and there is a unique serial number of the device. We'll just go back. Then here's also a language selection option. So we have kept the unit with multilingual option. Currently it supports Hindi, English, and local Gujarati language. The language can be added as a custom development as and when required by the customers. So this is how now the kit is already on. Similarly, the sensor module has a power button. So whenever we have to use it, we have to just switch it on and the device will switch on. So as I mentioned, this is the sensor part and the communication happens on Bluetooth. Now, just to check the communication, we'll go to the connected device option. Whenever the unit is started for the first time, it will scan the devices nearby and it will scan and connect with the sensor module. So initially it will take a little while for scanning the devices. So this is a one-time activity. Whenever the kit is started for the first time, after a power cycle, it has to scan the device, and the pairing happen only once. So once the Bluetooth is paired, you don't have to again and again pair the device with the sensor. So now it is showing connected. So now since it is already paired, it is connected, and it is saying, please start polling from the device. So for polling, we have to press this green poll button. This feature has been kept to get the accurate data at a specific time and also save battery. Now for testing, what we have done is we have taken some soil sample in a glass. It's a little moist soil in just a glass for sample per se. So what we will do is we'll just insert this sensor in this glass of soil like this. So this is similarly how we do in the field near the plants, near the root level. The sensor can just be inserted into water or soil, and moist soil. Just make sure the soil is little moist. It is not very dry. Otherwise, it can damage the spokes of the sensor. Now, when it is inserted, we'll just press the polling button once. This polling button is to take the data, real-time data from the device. Once this polling is done, we can just get the data onto the tool. So within 30 seconds, you can see all the data has come, all the 7 parameters. So here I'll just explain the screen. On the top, it shows the battery status of this module also. So you know how much battery is there in the module. So currently it is showing 70%. Now you can see soil pH 5.84, soil moisture about 5%, soil temperature 25.6 degrees, soil conductivity 261 microsiemens, NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium in terms of milligram per kg. So you can see 18, 26 and 52 respectively. So the instant data has come from the soil. If need be, we can also refresh the data. If you are adding some more water or if you are variating, so you can see the values are pretty the same. It has not changed. So now once this data is available on the terminal, we just go to the generate report option. It's a red button on the lower side. Once you press generate report, you get to have some customized fields. Now these fields are basically to add custom information to the report, like farmer name, total area of the farm, crop name, what the farmer is growing, address, any remarks, and also if we are charging some amount for the report, so we can mention the test charges. So just for information, I'll set the farm name. I'll just put just as test. Farm area, let's say 1 acre. Crop name, I would put wheat. Address, I would just put Ahmedabad. We are in Ahmedabad right now. Remarks, optional, not required. Soil test charges, not required. After this, when we click on next, the report will generate. Make sure that the data entered is correct because it cannot be edited again. So once you have entered the data, just click on next and it will give you a prompt. The soil report has been successfully generated. Now I can just see the report. So now this report is available. It shows the name of the owner of the kit, location, farm details as I mentioned, and the complete report in tabular form. So it shows pH, moisture, temperature, EC, NPK. All the values are available. Now, if I want, I can print a report. It will ask me for a prompt. Do you really want to print this? If I click put print, and here I get a report on the POS like a credit card terminal. So the entire report, test report is available in the language which has been selected for the application. Now this report can be instantly given to the farmer or can be given, just kept for records or for any validation purpose. So this report I'll just keep aside. If I go on back, home screen, now the data which we have taken just now, so it is available here. So you can see some old reports also, because we have been testing this kit at many places, demonstration. So I can see this report. Again, you can see the same report. It is available as a history. Again, it can be reprinted, and this is how it's that easy to take out a report. If you want to, let's say, change the language just for reference, the entire interface changes. If I go to again the data, I can see the language is changed. So the report instantly changes as per the language selected. I'll go back to English again. So this is how the system works. It is as easy using a basic smartphone. Anybody using a smartphone can create reports from this system. And just on the more feature side, this terminal comes with an option of SIM card. So if I open the back cover, there's an option for the SIM card and the center side, and also a memory card. You don't need to put a memory card. There is an inbuilt 8 GB memory. On the SIM card, if you put a SIM card, the advantage you will get is whenever the report is taken on the field, it will automatically send the report to the cloud. So by default, when the kit is delivered to our customers, their cloud account is created on our platform where all the reports are available with location. So for example, if a test report has been done at X location of the farm, the report will also contain the latitude and longitude, the coordinates of the report taken. So in future, if somebody wants to take out the report depository, the user can just log into its account on the cloud at soil.farmfluence.in, and there you can log in with your pre-registered account, and all the reports are accessible and it can be downloaded and printed as well. So this is for the cloud part. If you're not using a SIM card, you can also use this terminal with Wi-Fi. So it is again very simple. So I'll just go to the home screen. So there's an option for Wi-Fi. You can just open the Wi-Fi, connect to your phone as a hotspot or anything else, and you can also take the data backup later. For example, if you're taking this kit to the farms and you take 10 reports in a day, you can just keep on taking the reports, keep the printouts, all the data goes in the terminal. Once you come back home or at your office, you can just connect this POS to the Wi-Fi or any other internet source, and within a minute, all the reports will automatically sync to your cloud account. So it is as easy. And some more points on the kit side, as I mentioned, the sensor is there, the Bluetooth controller is there, the terminal or the printer is there. It works on Bluetooth. So easily it can communicate between 15 to 20 meters of range. So you can just put the sensor in the soil at a designated place. You can move a little away. Maybe if it is very sunny, you can go under the shed, just stand with your terminal, collect the data and take the printout. So it is as easy again. So as I mentioned, you can see the data is available. If I just recap, I go to the device. The device is now already connected, so it is not taking time. The report has come. I can just refresh. So you can see the data is as stable, which was coming earlier, and we can maybe generate another report. So multiple reports can be generated at a time, by taking different samples. So this is how all about the kit. Some more side feature on the kit part is when the kit comes to you, it comes with a QR code which is pasted here right on the cover. So this once you scan this QR code, you will get access to a cloud drive where we have the complete user manual, complete video, how to operate, and unboxing. All the information is available for the user. So anytime this QR code can be scanned and information can be accessed. So this is how you can just keep the kit back. So it's complete safe carry case, right? So this is all about the kit. It is as portable, less than 1.5 kg of weight. Easily it can be taken to the field. Just plug it, carry it, and take to the field. Take the data, come back, and all your reports are readily available in the terminal. Some points to remember, make sure that the terminal and the controller of the sensor doesn't get exposed to water, because these are sensitive electronics. This sensor is completely waterproof. It can be purely put in wet soil or water and can be kept it in long time. That is not a problem. So this part is waterproof, and you just need to make sure that the soil is not very dry. Otherwise, when you try to insert the sensor in the soil, it might create it might damage the electrodes, the spokes of the sensor. So just make sure whenever you are putting the sensor in soil, it has some moisture, some water inside. It should not be dry. So this is just a basic care. Other than that, it just needs to recharge the battery, put the paper, thermal paper. It's so easy, just like a credit card machine. So this is a thermal paper roll already there inside, and just put the thermal paper roll inside. It's easily available in the open market, stationery shops, right? There's a feeder available. You can just take out the reports anytime required. And this is overall unboxing about this product. Very easy to use, very user friendly. You don't need to have too much of knowledge or too much of training for this product. It is as simple as that. And for further information or inquiry, if you need any sort of assistance, our team is available round the clock. You can contact us. You can always scan the QR code. All the information is available there. Do it yourself information, all the assistance. The extra information is available on our website, www.farmfluence.in. And you can also contact us at support@farmfluence.in for any sort of support or assistance. Or you can also connect to our sales team at sales@farmfluence.in for any information about this product. Thank you.